What about something like geothermal? Better than a heat pump?
Well, heat pumps and geothermal, they basically run on the same science in a way. They're extracting
Okay.
heat out of the outside air, no matter how cold it is.
Yeah.
It can still extract heat somehow, some way, because it's a refrigerant and it works at a different temperature level, for example. It's just like your air conditioner that can grab the cold from the outside 30-degree air
Yeah.
and bring it inside your home. It works rudimentarily in reverse and does the same thing on the other side. Geothermal does the same thing with ground loops
Yeah.
and ground temperatures, whereas an air source heat pump works with air temperatures. But their efficiencies are in the same neighborhood. The geothermal systems are slightly more efficient, absolutely.
Interesting. Okay.